Okay, I bring you all here to the beach where I hang out, or one of the beaches, and I'm going through all my emotions. There's one emotion I want that is very emphasized, very big in my life, and that emotion is envy and jealousy, and how it affects people and their decisions, and what happens when they fail. What happens when they fail? Well, these people in my life, from their jealousy spot where they started and their envy, it's turned into full-on hate. I've got relatives that hate me so much that I physically make them sick just by being there. I don't have to say anything. Physically, they get sick and they lose it because they started from jealousy and envy and trying to bring me down. And because I wouldn't sit down and I kept moving up in my life and evolving to the next level of who I'm supposed to be, and all the challenges in my life where these people didn't challenge themselves, didn't do fuck all about themselves, right? And then they go jealousy. Now I'm angry at him because I can't keep up with him. And it's not a fucking competition, you monkey. I'm not competing with you. I'm trying to find out who the fuck I am and what I want in life. And you're not doing that. So suddenly I'm your fucking enemy because you're incapable. And that's what pisses me off. Because I get it all the time. And I get it from my closest relatives. They freak out. They lose it completely to the point of stupidity where they're prepared to lose something from themselves just to put me down, to accept their BS that I am like this and I am like that and I am like this. And I'm saying to them, but I'm not. And I've proven it to you. Isn't that the truth? I'm not like that. I am a good father. I am a good husband. I work hard. I've worked for over 50 years in my life. I started working when I was 11 years old. These people don't even know what the fuck work is, most of them. And dedication. And what else? I created my own work. I created my own businesses. I've had 4 businesses through my life. I didn't go to somebody and say, like a beggar, and say, give me work. No. I learnt what I was supposed to do correctly, and from there, I moved on and grew and grew and grew and evolved. Just like Nietzsche tells you to do. Just like Carl Jung tells you. Any fucking philosopher tells you to fucking grow. And don't be stagnant and take in the BS from the system. Right? So do you want philosophy or not? Do you want the truth or not? Do you want to live in the lie? Do you want to take that lie and pass it on to your children? And then keep your fingers fucking crossed to see, are they going to survive? Are they going to make it? Because that's what you got left. Keep my fingers crossed. No, you put the effort. I put the effort into my children to make them aware and make them understand. I sat when they were small, and we sat and we enjoyed every meal, even if it meant missing a few hours from work every day. I would take them to school in the morning and then pick them up at the end of the day. That's how important my children were compared to my career, my work, and my money. You getting it? That was more important. And people who don't have children have no idea what I'm talking about, to start with. And even if People who do have children still don't have any idea what the fuck I'm talking about. I treated them with so much respect and love because I never had it. And I didn't lose them. I helped them evolve. I helped them grow and become responsible human beings and understand that this is what we're the fuck supposed to do and not avoid the responsibility by giving it to politicians, by giving it to your council, by giving it to your husband, to give the responsibility to someone else, right? That's not how you're going to solve any of your issues, mate.